Hello, friends from all over the world. Good morning. This is the video from China, and we are leading manufacturer of anti-theft mobile phone security display stand. And today we're gonna check one of our products. This is Tempo Alarm System. This is a device for the retail store use. Okay, we're gonna check what we have here. It's one complete set things. And the first thing is our cable. This one is the charging and alarm cable. There is two functions together. Okay, so because this is Tempo Alarm System, so we got 10 sensor cable here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here is 10 sensor cable, and of course we have 10 cradles here too. This cradle is for us to put the mobile phone on it. Later we'll see. Okay, so we also got 10 here. 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we got 10 here. And now let's check our alarm host. That's it. This is the alarm host. You could see here is 10 USB port. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 here. Here is for connect the power cable. This point is for reset. This one is buzzer. We can connect a speaker too. Okay, and this is the power cable. This is adapter. Okay, and now let's see how to set this device. Okay, it is very simple. Actually, we just connect everything together. Okay, so the first step, we could just connect the power. This power cable connects it. See here. Okay, and here DC current. Okay, we need to connect the power now. We'll hear the sound. Yeah, we hear the sound. Okay, now it is almost done. Now we need to connect a sense cable. Let's check a sense cable. This is the sense cable. This port is USB, and we connect here. Connect. See. Okay. And Another end is angiophone connector, because this cable, this one is for angiophone. See here. Okay, so now we have to use mobile phone, the cell phone, to check it. Here it is. I got the angiophone here, so we just connect it. When we use it, we'll tear the tapes here, and we need connect it. Okay, see? Yeah, when you use it, we could see now it's charging. Yeah, and we'll tear tapes here and attach on a mobile phone like this. And now we need use the cradle. The cradle also got the tapes at the bottom. We'll tear the tapes here so we could attach it on the table. Tear the tapes here and attach on the table, and we just put the mobile phone on it. That's it. So you got this device on your mobile phone retail store. You don't worry about anybody would take your mobile phone away. Okay, so now everything is done, and now let's see how it works. If someone try to take away your mobile phone, okay, like this, he has to unplug this cable, right? So if anyone try to unplug this cable, it will trigger the alarm. See? So now we use this remote controller to stop it. Yeah, let's see. Very simple. Yeah, the alarm is set. And if someone try to unplug here or cut the cable, it will trigger the alarm too. Yeah. Okay, that's how it works. It's very simple device, but it can really help our mobile phone store a lot. So anyone, if you have any question, you could just contact me by WhatsApp or email, and my WhatsApp is, please remember, my mobile phone is 1-866-966-273. Okay, repeat it. 1-866-966-273. And of course, because you guys, if you are from other country, you have to press the China code before my mobile phone. Okay, the China code is 86. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, goodbye.